Hello, welcome friends, welcome to free chess videos for all. So today we'll look into few chess traps that occurs in games. So I'm going to bring a series of chess traps videos for you all. So today is the first lesson. These traps occur like in games when opponent plays a very specific moves. So these traps are for beginner to intermediate level. So once you know about these traps, I hope you can implement those into your games. So without delay, let's jump in. So the first trap that I'm going to talk about, it happens in Scandinavian defense. So e4, d5. So this structure we call it as Scandinavian defense. So the move order is e takes d5, queen takes d5, knight c3. Now the main move is queen a5. Okay. So instead of queen a5, suppose black plays queen d8, bishop c4, knight f6, knight f3. Now there is a very common move in Scandinavian defense from black side, that is bishop g4, but here it's a mistake. The objective of bishop g4 is not allowing the knight to move, because if you move the knight, then you can easily take the queen, right? So but here, as part of this trap, you can easily move the knight to e5, because if bishop takes d1, then you can finish the game with bishop cross f7, because it's a mate. King can't move to d7 because knight threat is there, right? Okay. So to stop that, bishop takes f7. Black needs to play e6. Now you can easily take this bishop, knight takes knight, and queen takes knight. So you would be having a piece up in the beginning. So it would be a great position for white, and eventually he would win. Okay. So let's talk about the second trap. It happens in Sicilian dragon variation. So what are the move orders? e4 c5, knight f3, d6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4, knight f6, knight c3, and g6. And after that, bishop e3. Now black should play bishop g7, but instead of bishop g7, suppose he plays knight g4 to take this bishop, right? So here is a good move from white side, that is bishop b5, because if bishop d7, then you can take this knight, because this bishop can't move and take this queen, right? So instead of bishop d7, suppose black plays knight c6. This is the good move black should play, but here also white would be having an advantage, because knight takes c6, b takes c6, bishop takes c6, bishop d7, and bishop takes a8, queen takes a8. Now it's a great position for white, because he is having a exchange up. Now he can remove this bishop to bishop d2, because next move from black, he would love to take this bishop. Okay, so now white can castle, and eventually he should win, because he is having an exchange up and a good position. Okay, so now next trap we are going to talk about, it's the Vienna game trap. So e4, e5, knight c3, knight f6, bishop c4. Now there is a common move from black side, that is knight takes e4. So you must be thinking that okay, knight takes e4, not this knight can easily take this e4, but there is a move d5. Okay, both the pieces are under attack, so one piece you can save and the other one black would take. So here, after knight takes e4, white plays bishop takes f7. Now king f7. Now knight takes e4. Here suppose black plays knight c6. You can easily give a check here, queen f3. Now king g8. Now you play knight g5 because here is a trap. So if queen takes g5, you can come to queen b3 and this would be a check, right? So to save it, like you can't, basically you can't do anything because you have to play d5 and again queen takes d5, then you have to place bishop e6, queen takes e6 and it's a mate, so you can't do anything. So it's a trap, so you should know about it. Let's go to the fourth trap. So now the fourth trap I'm going to talk about, it happens in Philidor defense. So what is Philidor defense? e4, e5, knight f3. Now instead of knight c6, black can play d6, right? So the best move here is d4. Now suppose black plays knight d7, you play bishop c4, and if black plays bishop e7, then d takes e5, d takes e5, and you play queen d5. So there is a mate here. So as a result, he needs to protect it by playing knight h6. You take this one, he takes, and it's a mate. Okay. So you should know about this trap. Now move to the next trap. It happens in Reti game. Okay. So knight f3, d5, c4, knight f6, g3. Now if black plays bishop f5, you can take this pawn, knight takes d5, e4, bishop e4, and queen a4. It would be a check. He needs to save it, then you can take this bishop. This move order can change what I have just shown you, because let's try once more. So suppose c4, d5, you play knight f3, knight f6, g3, now bishop f5, c takes d5, knight takes d5, you play e4, bishop takes e4, and queen a4. Again check, he needs to save it, and you take the bishop. So these are the traps I wanted to show you guys. So in next video I'll come up with some other traps. So you go through these traps and know about this. So if you like have any comments, you can drop me a message in the comments section, and please guys like and share the video, and please subscribe the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.